Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So before we begin, I would just like to give a quick shout out to M. Hey girl, you were the first to comment on my last video, and I just want to say thank you so much for all of your support. So I do have an unboxing today from Double Dip. They were kind enough to send me a Polygel kit to review. I do have a discount code for it that will be on the screen here and also in the description box below, along with a link to the kit. So in this kit, they included some dual forms, a how-to guide. It came with a regular emery board and, you know, the average regular polygel brush that come with every kit. Nothing crazy. This kit also came with a top coat and a base coat. I'm loving the holographic like decals they have with it. It's super cute to me. It also came with a slip solution, and I actually really like this slip solution. It works really good with the product. It comes with a mini, I call these mini flash cure lamps because, to be honest, I really don't think you just have to keep your hand under the lamp for a long time to fully cure the polygel with the lamp like this. But it also came with some gold decals that are super cute, and I'll definitely be using them. And last, it came with, well, not last, but it also came with 2 chunky glitter decals. It was really cute. They had some hearts and some stars, and I think they had like mini moons in it as well, but they're super adorable. So they sent me over the nude kit to review, and it came with 6 different nude polygels. So I'm gonna swatch them, and boom, here are the swatches. Literally so in love with every single color. My favorite would have to be the second one from the left. That pink is holographic. It kind of has like blue purple shimmer in it. You can't really see on the camera, but I tried to take my phone and put the flashlight on so you guys could get the feel for the colors better. I also tried to take a picture with the flash on, so here it is on my phone here. And then here are the colors on the website. So thank you so much to Double Dip for sending me these products to review. Like I said, everything will be in the description below. So please don't forget to check it out and use my code for 10% off. So today I do have another story time for you guys. And this one was actually a little bit wild. Aren't they all? But anyway, today I'm going to be telling you guys the story of the time where my friend stole my whole business idea. Everything, top to bottom, left to right, side to side, y'all, stole the whole thing. So at the time, I was a sophomore in college, and I just had a breakdown pretty much because I was a nursing major. I had no clue what I wanted to do in my life, and I just wasn't happy. Like, I couldn't see myself being a nurse for a very long time. So I'm not going to go into the whole backstory of why I decided to start my cosmetic line, but I did. I started a cosmetic line called Crystal Cosmetics. You guys never heard about it. I don't really talk about it on this channel. Actually, I don't think I've ever talked about it at all because I like to focus on nails now for this channel, and I don't know. It's just like there's no correct placement for, you know, a cosmetic line. But anyway. So I started it for just a quick back history. My grandmother got diagnosed with stage 4 cancer. She saw that I was unhappy in my major and basically motivated me to start my cosmetic line. And so I did. After she passed away, I started Crystal Cosmetics, and I spell it with 2 K's, double K's. And I sell mink lashes, glosses, everything. Okay, so now we're going to get into the BS. So at the time, I was friends with a girl, and we'll name this girl Katie. So me and Katie were really close, like super close, hung out every single day. So Katie is telling me that she wants to start her own business too. I'm like, oh yeah, girl, of course. Like, girls supporting girls, I'm all the way here for you. I can help you. I did the whole process by myself. It took me my whole sophomore year to make my logo. I taught myself how to use Adobe Illustrator. I looked up videos on how to create LLCs. I created my whole business plan, budget. I found my own manufacturers. I tested different manufacturers. Like, it took me over a year to create this cosmetic line. And I did everything by myself with no help. So, and I started it beginning my sophomore year, and I launched, May. So that was literally the very last month of my senior year. So now here we are, it's the next semester, so I'm a junior at the time, and she's telling me she wants to start this line. I'm like, oh yeah, cool, no problem. I got you, 100%. I can help you out. And she told me she wanted to start a clothing line and a fur slipper line. So you know how like Uggs, the moccasins, the fur slides, all the girls wear. So yeah, she wanted to start a line selling those and clothes. So I agreed to help her, and she was asking me about my suppliers, which I thought was kind of off when she asked, because I was like, would you need to know my suppliers if you want to sell clothing and fur slides? So I didn't tell her the exact supplier because I wasn't that slow, but I basically, put her on to everything. I left nothing out. So fast forward, here we are. I believe it was over winter break. Yeah, it was over winter break, and my phone is just blowing off. Like, it's off the charts, y'all. People are sending me messages. People are calling me. People are sending me screenshots. And they're like, did you see what Katie just posted? Did you see what Katie just posted? And at the time, I'm like, no. I don't even remember what I was doing, but I literally ignored everybody for probably about a good few hours. I went back to my phone because I was busy. Like, I'm pretty sure I was at a vendor event or something. So I look back, and guess what Katie posted? She posted that she has a line. My line is called Crystal Cosmetics, and it begins with K's. So Crystal with a K, Cosmetic with a K. Katie started a line called Katie Cosmetics. We'll just call it that. But it was same thing with double K's, just like my line, Crystal Cosmetics. And she's selling cosmetics. I sell mink lashes, lip glosses, highlighters, lip products. Katie is selling mink lashes, lip glosses, and products that are similar. So naturally, I'm just baffled. Like, I'm just taken aback. I'm like, no way. It's like I'm like, this can't be real. I know this is a joke. No, y'all. This was like real life. So, I didn't even know what to do at first. Like, I was so thrown off. I was like, what do I do? Is this something that, this is something people can get sued for? I was so lost. I talked to my mom. I was like, Mom, my friend, she just did this to me. And even my mom was like, just baffled, thrown off that somebody could really do that. So I eventually talked to everybody. I talked to all my friends, everybody that was sending me messages. And even all my friends were like, this is like, did you get permission to do this? Is this like, are you guys working together? They literally thought that we were working together and that it was something that maybe like we were doing together because it was just too similar. Like, there was no way. And I was like, no, I didn't tell her to do this. Like, she just did it on her own. So she basically tried to get my supplier, and she copied my whole business plan, y'all. Down to the website. I had my own website, same color scheme, damn near the same logo. Like, it was down to the T. She literally copied everything. So for a while, I was like just drafting up what to say because I'm thinking about this as if I'm hurt, but I'm also trying to think about this a business way legally, because if it got too far, then of course I was going to have to take some type of action. So I sent over a text message, and we texted, and basically she was just not taking responsibility or nothing for anything she did. And it's crazy because she basically told me, that I'm not the only person that can create a cosmetic line. Like, she can do the same thing too. Sweetie, you can do the same thing. You can do cosmetics. You can sell mink lashes. You can sell everything. Nobody's telling you that you can't do that. What I had a problem is the fact that you copied my whole business plan. You asked me about everything. You were supposed to be my friend. If you had came to me from the jump and said that you also wanted to create a cosmetic line, okay, would have been a little off, but I would have helped you because, like I said, you can create that too. But for you to steal from my title to my logo to my website to the products itself, literally you wanted the exact same manufacturer. I got a problem with that. Like, super got a problem with that. So it was awkward. We had to see each other in person about a month from when this situation happened, and we did have a conversation about what happened, and she apologized for everything, and she said that she was going to switch up her website and like she wasn't going to sell what I sold. And I told her, like, I don't care what you sell. You can sell the exact same stuff I'm selling. It was just the way you went about it. And of course she wanted to be friends again, but never. Could never. How can you're out of your mind? There's just no possible way that we could ever be friends again after something like that. So yeah, we did have a conversation about it eventually in person. It was just super messy because we were so close, and I'm not going to say exactly what it was, but we do have to communicate with each other to this day. Like, we still do have to communicate with each other. So yeah, it was like real messy because, like I said, I go to college. We literally live all on campus together, and my school isn't the biggest, but it's small, but it's not that small. And when I tell you guys, people from different schools were contacting me, DMing me this for weeks. Like, did you see this? Did you see this? Because, like I said, my brand had became, like, it wasn't super big, but it was pretty big. I was traveling and being a vendor at different schools and selling my makeup, and I was at different events around the area. So a lot of people knew about my brand, and people from different schools were even telling me, like, do you see this girl, like, trying to rip off your whole brand? So it was very much embarrassing, and like it just got so annoying because it got to the point where I had to be like, yes, I see it, I'm handling it, like, thank you for letting me know. But yeah, after people saw that, it just made no sense to me. Like, why would you even want to copy off of somebody's line? Because who's gonna support you if they see that you're just stealing from somebody else? It made no sense to me. But I'm sure a lot of you guys can relate. You're used to people biting off you, biting your style, biting everything. Isn't it so annoying? Like, it's like, be yourself. I don't care if you want to have the same. Nobody's telling you can't wear a ponytail. Nobody's telling you can't wear that outfit. But for you knew I was going to wear that ponytail, and you knew I was going to wear that outfit, and you want to wear the same thing. Like, come on, be original. It bothers me, y'all. That's one thing I can't stand, is when somebody copies what I do, and it seems like it's just that habit. Like, why are females like this? I just don't understand. Let me know in the comments if you guys had a similar situation where somebody just copied your whole freaking aura unapologetically. So, yep, that's the story of the time my so-called close friend Katie copied my whole business plan. Super crazy. But before I end this video, I just want to give a quick update that I do have, actually now I have 2 giveaways coming soon. So my next giveaway will hopefully be around next week in one of my videos, so definitely look out for that. I'm super excited, and all the rules and information will be in that video. But like I said, I'm just gonna drop it in there randomly. I'm not gonna put it in the title or anything, because I really want my true fans and supporters and subscribers that literally watch through my whole videos to win this one. So I'm super excited about that. And let's see, today is Monday, so that means that I will see you guys on Thursday. Let me guys know what you think about the story time videos. If you guys have any ideas of how I can incorporate more story times. I do see some crazy stories online that I'm thinking about reading, but I'm also thinking about having my subscribers send in theirs, and I can read their crazy stories. So let me know what you guys think about that in the comments below. But yeah, if you made it to the end, thank you guys so much for watching. You're a real one, and I will see you guys on Thursday. Bye.